creamy Instant Pot mac and cheese with crispy bacon. Yep, today we're making a restaurant-style bacon mac and cheese. I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out, and we're all about tasty food made easy. Start by adding 4 cups of cavatappi pasta to Instant Pot, then pour in 2 cups of chicken broth, and add 1 tablespoon of butter, half a teaspoon hot sauce, and half a teaspoon salt. Then stir the pot to loosen up the pasta. Secure the lid and pressure cook for 5 minutes. Let naturally release for 2 minutes, then quick release the rest of the pressure. When the pressure is released and it's safe to do so, remove the lid. Then stir a bit to break up the pasta. Then drain the pasta in a colander over the sink. Run cold water over the pasta and put it back in the pot and set aside. Cut 8 slices of cooked bacon into 1/4-inch pieces. Melt a tablespoon of butter in a medium hot skillet and add 2 tablespoons of flour. Whisk until all the flour is dissolved. Then pour in 2 cups of milk. Do you eat mac and cheese by itself or as a side? Let us know in the comments. Add a 1/4 teaspoon pepper and 1 minced garlic clove. And then you stir. Now you pour in 4 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. Slowly melt the cheese while stirring. When all the cheese is melted and the sauce is smooth, pour in half of the bacon. If you like this video, please share it. Mix up the bacon pieces in the sauce and carefully pour it over the pasta in the pot. Stir really well to mix the sauce with the pasta. Then transfer everything over into an oven-safe dish. Distribute the sauce and bacon pieces evenly. And lastly, sprinkle over 1 tablespoon of panko crumbs mixed with 1 tablespoon of Parmesan cheese and top with the rest of the bacon pieces. Bake in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 to 10 minutes until the top is crusted. Then carefully remove from the oven and serve warm as a side dish or on its own. And there you have it, a creamy restaurant-style bacon mac and cheese. I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out, and thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe.